What up, everybody? This is Antoine Young at Crypto Trader. And I'm going to take a look at the market and what's happening right now. There's a big sell-off going on right now, as you can see, which is great. This is great for people that's trying to buy in. Look at this candle. Look at this. This is a 15-minute candles. I've been looking at the Decred. Decred shot all the way up to 73. I bought that right where this fat green dotted line is. I don't know that was a dots, those are slashes, whatever. Whatever. But anyway, what you see is something that I've been pondering about every time I say it. So I had to make a video about this because maybe anyone who's watching this video runs across it. Man, let's start a discussion about what's happening right now with these are two coins that you won't even relate to each other, like Bitcoin and Decred, except for they're both cryptocurrencies. But you would think Litecoin, which is, by the way, selling off at the same time, okay, that Bitcoin is selling off. What do you think what does that? Okay, now I'm going to tell you some of my hypotheses about this. Now I could be wrong, but that might, that's probably highly unlikely that I'm probably wrong, but I could be wrong. Okay, so that's how I approach it. I don't think I'm right about everything, and that's how I stay safe and relatively, and I owe that to my success because I don't lock myself into one thing. I don't think like an absolute person thinks absolutely like this is true. But what you got to look at is this. These are not human trading. You can't be a human and trade the same exact. Okay, now Decred. Now you definitely can notice which. Let's look at EOS. EOS is doing the same thing. Let's go look at Vertcoin. Vertcoin doing the same thing. Okay, let's go look at BitConnect. Okay, you know people, no one's looking at BitConnect. I'm just keep it real. So it's no wonder BitConnect look like this. BitConnect, that is a funky trading thing to trade. It's in the downtrend though for sure. All right, so we're just gonna leave it like that. That's been in the downtrend. So you know BitConnect is not connected to Bitcoin, no matter what they've been trying to media telling you, whatever they, it's like that's fake news. Okay, whatever. If you think BitConnect is directly correlated to Bitcoin, they've been using that to sell you that shit. All right, and I don't think it's nothing wrong with BitConnect, especially if you're the first one to get in that Ponzi scheme. Okay, boom, it's a Ponzi scheme. Period. It might be one of the most technologically advanced Ponzi schemes, which is why I like it. But I still haven't invested a dime in it. Because I'm just, my integrity won't let me. That's all it is. I don't want to take nobody else's money. I want to earn it. I want to trade it. Okay? That's taking someone else's money too, but at least it's fair. Okay? And it's not a lie. Like, you know what you're doing. It could go against you or it could go with you. You know what's going on. If you believe in something and it doesn't work out, then what does that mean? If I don't believe in it and it doesn't work out, I make money. You lose your money, you put your money in, I sold it, I got rid of it. You put your money in it, and you thought it was going to go up. It didn't go up. Well, it went down, so you lost money. I made money because I got rid of that shit before it went down. Okay? That's business. That's how you work. Now, BitConnect, it's quite a different animal, and I'm not going to get into more detail about that. But what you got to realize is that you guys need to subscribe. You're dealing with a real intelligent trader, a market analyst, whatever you want to call it, It looks like I'm not on point. That's because you can't be on point with trading. You can only just speculate, all right? And if you think speculation is on point, then you got a lot of learning to do about trading. But you can learn about that by tuning in, hitting subscribe, and touching that bell button, hitting that like button, pound that like button, smash that like button. Yeah. Tune in. I need you because I need guys to listen and talk about things like this. The fact that some of these coins are not correlated to Bitcoin. And you got to know which ones these are. This is going to help your trading. And this is going to help you decide what coins to buy. Because when Bitcoin is going down, you can pretty much bet all these other coins that are correlated to it are going to go down too. So why would you hold them? Now, you being a human being, how the hell are you going to go put buy orders and sell orders in at the same exact time in GDAX. Let me pull up GDAX over here so you can understand how GDAX works. You guys see my other videos. If you haven't, go look at them. You see me trading. I got skin in the game. What do you see here? Okay. Bitcoin, right? Ethereum, and Litecoin all turning red at the same time. How the hell, if I own Bitcoin, how the hell I'm going to sell it at the same time and go sell Litecoin at the same exact time? Unless I'm selling all of it. I don't think no one sells everything, but maybe they do. Let me go hit a sell order on this side. Then I'm going to hit a sell order on Ethereum. Boom. Then I hit a sell order on this. But guess what happens when you hit a sell order? If you look at any of my previous videos, it has to be a market sell. It can't be no limit sell because you'll never get filled. Okay? It had to be a market sell. They had to be willing to pay that fee. Okay? And that's what they're doing. These are all markets. Look, 300. What is this? Ethereum? I don't like looking at Ethereum. Let's look at Bitcoin. What are some of these sells looking like? I couldn't wait for the sell-off. Zero's Bitcoin, 0 Bitcoin, 0, 1 Bitcoin, 1 Bitcoin, 1 Bitcoin, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 Bitcoin being sold off. People are buying. It's smart to buy when they're selling off. That's all I can tell you. That's one of the smart things you do. It's good to sell when they're buying. If you got it to sell. If you don't, then you should be buying with them. How you gonna sell it? You know, if you ain't bought nothing, how you gonna sell it? Think about that. If you're trading, how are you gonna sell that shit if you haven't bought it? That's all you need to know about trading. That's it. If you can't understand it, then that's crazy. You can buy it and then sell it. Okay. I buy and then I hold, okay? Most of the part. I get in at a good price. I anticipate a sell-off. I might get in, like right here. Like you've seen this before. I'm impatient and I need to work on that. All right, that's one of my things. I know patience is a commodity. You're going to hear me say that a lot. But it's something that I'm actually actively really working on, and it's really hard to do because this is my life. This is all I do. This is my full-time job. I'm a full-time trader. Okay, I do some website design, graphic design, and I do build and I program Java, C++, JavaScript. But right now, I'm a full-time trader in my mind, okay? Because I like learning. It's like something I don't know, and I want to learn more about it so I can develop my own apps and stuff. And that's where I'm headed. And I'm looking at these autonomous trading bots. That's what I would call them, but they're not bots. You know, it's algo. Wall Street, people on Wall Street know about this. They call them algos, okay? So that's what we're going to call them on my channel. We're going to call them algos. I would call them bots, but that's what an algo is, a bot. It's a software application that basically trades the way that you tell it to trade automatically for you. And that's what I think is going on right now on certain markets all at the same time. And it's important to understand that before you get yourself involved in trading. And that's why I'm making a video, because I didn't fully understand it until I see the sell-off. And I'm actually able to see what a sell-off look like throughout the cryptocurrency market. Look at this Bitcoin, okay? 15 minutes. Boom, look how that look. That's the sound it makes. Falling out of bed. Bitcoin Cash. What is going on? Not correlated to Bitcoin. That's what this means. It's not selling off. Okay, it's not being bought up either, but it's not selling off. Let's go look at Litecoin. Falling out of bed. If I wasn't mining, I would be buying this stuff right now. All right. How low can it go? Look at the RSI. You think the RSI is going to help you out in figuring out where the bottom's at? I know how to figure out where the bottom's at, but I don't want to tell anyone that. You'll start, making trades against me. Certain things I won't do, like this right here. I'm not going to sit up here and call the bottom on this. You notice I don't even have a volume chart up. One, two, three, 4, 5. I'm maxed out. $15 MA. What I don't really use that much are these crosses. So let's get away from the crosses. And let's put up one of these charts. Let's grab the volume. Where's the indicator? Yeah, I'm hiding it. Oh, good job. No, it's not hiding. Yeah, it's right here. All right. Histogram is too large. Please increase row size. Alright. Must have been the other one. There it is. Visible range. Okay, I'm going to kill this one too. Now we need the bottom volume to come in too. Indicators. Go to all my favorites. Wow, I didn't even add that to my favorites. That's interesting. We just gotta go with the normal volume then. Since I'm not gonna be able to have time to find it right now. Okay, here we go. Volume. No volume. I mean, think about where the real volume was at. On the selling, every time someone sells, it's like they sell everything. They don't want to have nothing to do with it. And when you're buying, they're just accumulating. Tick, 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 tick. And it goes right here. Tick, 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 tick. And right here, there's a big ass. Let me see. This is a big bar right here. To me, this bar right here, right, and this bar right here. But the volume bars are not that big. I've seen pretty much more volume from sales of Bitcoin than volume buys at the same, like at all at once. When I say volume, I'm really talking about how many contracts can I sell in 1 second. And when you start seeing this pull back up like that, I mean, are we trying to time the market, or are we trying not to time the market? Of course we're trying to time the market. That's what it's not about how much you buy. It's about when you buy, okay? And when you buy is more important than looking at the value at which you buy at. You don't have the time to sit here looking at the chart all day. So that's why you see crypto traders, okay? We put buy orders in at prices and we just wait, okay? That's how we do it. We don't look at the chart and when it hits it, then we start buying it, which is what you really want to do. But we're going to revise this. We're going to, you do want to just buy when the time comes, but we don't have the all whereabouts to just sit on our computer all day looking at the price move up and down until you fall asleep at the wheel and then you wake up and the price is just moving against you some kind of way. You don't want to be that trader losing money. So what we're going to start doing is we're going to start setting alerts, okay, for when prices hit certain points. But will the alerts actually alert us? Okay. So I need help with this. That's why I'm making videos. I need feedback. I really appreciate all the feedback. Promote the channel so we all can get everyone's eyes on this, on our channel, helping us figure out how to improve our alert system, okay? And that's what we're working on. And this is how we're going to do it. This is Antoine Young over at Crypto Trader, okay? And you guys take care. We're going to figure out how to do this. I'll be posting updates to this video soon enough. My next video I'm going to post is going to be about my portfolio. I'm going to show you guys a tool. This is another tool that I use to monitor my portfolio and all my coins and assets in a nice free to use crypto compare. And I'm going to just go around and I'm going to show you, total acquisition cost. If you can see that, $119. Holdings, $182. Boom. Here's a chart of my portfolio. Wow, it goes up and down, up and down. Risk analysis, advanced chart. My portfolio, that's how it looks. Period, profit and loss. I don't know what this means, but we got to figure this out. Because it looks weird. I don't know how to set the, look at volatility. Look at the volatility. What does that mean? I know what some of this, but I don't. This is such a new service to me, and we're gonna dig into this together. But I can show you how to load up the coins on there and get a real basic, acquisition cost and realized profit and loss. Okay, and what you see here is 24-hour profit and loss. Okay, yeah, and you can take coins on here and take coins off, and it's gonna realize your profit when you put coins in here. Like I use this specifically for my altcoins. I don't really put Bitcoin on there unless I make a super purchase and I plan on really tracking, but I'm not really tracking. Bitcoin goes up, man. Look, that's like my money. That's my savings account. I'm not going to put that on here because then you guys are going to know my whole holdings. And I'm going to tell you, you're never going to find out. But look, I'm making this channel to help people like me and to create more alert systems for us. So, okay. That's a preview for my next video coming up. And you guys take care.